The thing is, starting your own successful website from scratch is really difficult. And if you haven't had much success so far, well, it's no wonder. Just think about all the things you need to do to make your site a success. You need to spend hours and hours creating great quality content every single day. You need to somehow get lots of daily traffic to your site. You need to promote your site on social media to grow followers and fans. And on top of that, you need to somehow start making money from your site too. It's no secret that all of this is really hard. It takes a lot of time. It takes a lot of work. And what happens if you aren't an experienced marketer and don't know how to do any of this in the first place anyway? So just imagine if all of this was done for you with just one click. Imagine getting high-quality daily content for your site done for you. Imagine getting loads of fans and followers for your site on Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest. Imagine getting traffic and seeing hundreds of new visitors pour into your site every day. And imagine if your site was monetized for you by experienced marketers in the most incredible way you've ever seen. Imagine seeing money like this hit your bank account day after day, week after week, month after month. Just think, with traffic, social marketing, content, and monetization all taken care of for you, your site would be an instant success, and you could just sit back and watch your PayPal account grow and grow. So what if I told you that it really is true, that you can get all of this 100% done for you with just one click? Let me introduce you to Instant Success Site and show you how ridiculously easy it is to make your site an instant success. Step 1. Enter your Clickbank ID. Don't worry if you don't have one yet. Clickbank is free, and it takes literally seconds to create an account. Step 2. Choose a niche that you'd like your site to be an instant success in. We have 5 of the most profitable niches all ready to go for you into software. But we also provide a custom option so you can be an instant success in literally any niche you want. Step 3. Click the button to create your instant success site. And that's it, all done. With just that one click, we now get daily content relevant to our niche posted for us on a regular basis. Just look, here we chose the internet marketing niche, and now our site is being supplied with fresh daily internet marketing content. Full articles with images and high-quality videos posted for us every single day. Not only that, but with just one click, you also get completely done-for-you reviews posted to your site for top-converting Clickbank offers. These are amazing quality reviews, all done for you for the very latest Clickbank offers in your chosen niche. Each of them comes with a complete in-depth video review. They all have a few paragraphs of proven high-converting text. And they even come with done-for-you bonuses for your visitors too. And the best thing is, all of these review posts are linked direct to your Clickbank account automatically by the software. So every time someone clicks the link in the review to buy, you get full credit for the sale. That's money direct into your bank account, day after day, without you doing a thing. All the reviews are created for you by experienced marketers and posted for you by the software on a regular basis, so you can know that they will always convert like crazy for long-term passive income. But that's not all. Not only does Instant Success Site create blog posts and Clickbank reviews for you, it even shares them all over social media for you too. With Instant Success Site, we have taken a totally new site. It's been filled with high-quality content every day. It's got amazing monetization from reviews posted for us for relevant Clickbank offers. And it's even grown our social followers and got us traffic. It's a complete system that does literally everything for you. And literally all you need to do is install the software, choose your niche, and click a button. It really is that easy. Just imagine, with Instant Success Site, you too could be an instant success and start making commissions in any top niche, all by just clicking a button. Think about it. Daily content, 24/7 traffic, Clickbank product reviews, social marketing, everything you could possibly need. It's all done for you with just one click. Remember, with Instant Success Site, you are just one click away from making commissions like this every single day. So click the button below and get Instant Success Site now. There's just one more thing you need to know. The software will never be available at this insanely low launch price ever again. And once the current launch offer ends, it will never be sold in this form with all these features ever again. So don't miss out. Make yourself an instant success. Get Instant Success Site for the lowest possible price by clicking the button below to buy now, before the current launch offer ends.
I'm Dan, I'm the developer of Instant Success Site. Let's take a look at this great piece of software. Now, I've just installed the plugin now, and literally let me show you how fast and how easy it is to get started with this software. So simply, all we do is we go add new campaign. We give a campaign name here, so I'm going to call this one Keto Recipes. So this is a diet site that I've just thrown up. It's just a completely new site. I've just thrown it up. It's not put any work into it whatsoever, really, and I'm just going to use it to demo this this great software. Now, bear in mind that this works on any theme you want, so I'm just going to be using the default WordPress theme right now, but this will work on any theme that you have, so you can customize that all and have your site looking exactly how you want it. With that being said, all we need to do at this point is enter our Clickbank ID. So my Clickbank ID is this. We choose our niche. In this one, I want to choose it on the diet cooking niche to fit in with my keto recipes site. And I'm going to leave featured images on. That is basically just a way so different themes have got different settings with how they show featured images. By default, leave that on. Most of the time, you won't need to change that. But literally all we need to do is enter a campaign name, enter a Clickbank ID, choose our niche, click a button, boom, that's it. Your Instant Success Site has been created for you. That's it, easy. Now let me show exactly what it has created. Okay, so now we've pressed that button, let's see what our site looks like. So first of all, you're going to be getting great quality content posts relevant to your chosen niche. Remember, if we go back to the campaign here, we chose diet and cooking. Well, we do have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different options here, or you can choose a custom option. So if any of these 5 niches don't suit, we do have a way of doing completely custom niches, so you can have this work with any site you want. I'll have to admit, it does take slightly longer to set up with the custom option, but you can do it. But having said that, these are 5 of the top niches right now, and if you just want to really quickly get in there and get your site started and going, just choose one of these, click the button like you saw, and right away your site's going to start getting great quality content just like this. And not only are we getting great quality content for our site that's relevant to our site with pictures. Look at all this great stuff. Not only that, we're also getting monetization too. So if we go at the top here, you can see this is an example of a monetized post that's just been posted for us by the plugin. Now you get all of this, you get your content and you get your monetized posts on a regular basis. So this one's just been posted for us here. Let's have a look at it. So you can see we get a full video review of this Clickbank product, which is called Paleo Grubs Book. So it's an ultra relevant product to our niche. You can see it's got some great copy. You can see we've even put a bonus in here. And if we click this button, bang, this goes straight to the buy page for this product, connected to our Clickbank ID, as you can see here. And any sales that anyone makes, any visitors buying this, bam, money straight into our Clickbank account. It is that easy. Look at that. So remember, you get daily monetized content posts. You get daily normal non-monetized content posts. Look how great this quality is. Your visitors are going to love it. And on top of that, that's not the most exciting thing. On top of that, you get traffic too. Let me show you the traffic. So I've just quickly jumped back over to the dashboard here because I just wanted to demonstrate that basically Instant Success Site generates its traffic via social media. So it will get you traffic from Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest. That's targeted traffic from all 3 of those networks. And to set this all up, again, it couldn't be simpler. All you need to do is enter your username and passwords for Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest, respectively. Obviously, I didn't want to show you guys exactly what they were, so I've just replaced those with X's for now, but you get the idea. You just enter your username and passwords for each of the networks, and you click save, and you are done. So after you have entered that, those usernames and passwords very quickly, the plugin then proceeds to run a fully automated Facebook fan page, fully automated Instagram account, and a fully automated Pinterest account, all for your website, all completely automated. You can see here, this is the Pinterest, the Facebook fan page for our account, and you can see here we've got different, lots of different recipes here, different posts here. You can see we're getting engagements, we're getting comments, we're getting likes, we're getting different reactions. Let's go down, you know, again here, 72 people reached, 51 engagements, and you can see that if we click on any of these, we're going bang straight back to our website. So this fully automated fan page is driving traffic every single time anyone clicks on any of these posts. They get driven back to our site just like that. It's incredible. Also, same thing with Instagram. So you come here, you can see in our Instagram account, we've got loads of different posts, all of them getting some engagement here. And this is again, it's a fully automated, account. Open up these links that are all embedded in all of the posts, bam, sent back to the site. And if we head over to Pinterest, again, the same thing. It's another source of traffic for you, targeted traffic. Everyone who's interested in keto can come to this board. If they click on one of these pins, go down here, you can see that, that we've clicked on here, we're sent bang, again, back to the website. That's 3 sources of fully automated traffic. All you have to do, remember, all you have to do to have all of this set up, to have, let's go back to the home page here. To have all this set up is you go in, instant success site, we go to campaigns, add a new campaign, add our Clickbank ID, choose our niche, click the button, the whole thing is done for you. And then you start getting monetized posts that link back to Clickbank like we showed you before. You start getting daily content, and you start getting amazing, fully automated fan page, Pinterest account, Instagram account, all sending traffic to your site. What's the result of all of this? Well, let's jump over to my analytics account so we can see exactly what sort of traffic this sort of thing is generating. Remember, this was a brand new site that we set up not very long ago, just to test the plugin out, see what it can do just by choosing a niche, entering your Clickbank ID and clicking a button. Let's see what happens. So we go to group, we'll get the website data here. So we can see that, look, we've gone from 0 to, that's when we installed the plugin, gradually building up to about just over, around about 155 visitors a day, super low bounce rate, decent session duration. Where are they coming from? Yeah, good, mostly American, good traffic sources from all around the world. It's working for us, guys. It is working. Can you just imagine what it feels like? How easy, how good it feels when all you need to do to finally start getting results is enter your Clickbank ID. By the way, don't worry if you don't have Clickbank right now. It is super, super easy and fast and free to sign up to. You can get your ID within seconds and start banking those checks. So enter your Clickbank ID, choose your niche. Remember, we do have a custom niche option, so you can set this up and have it all working no matter what niche you want. These are just 5 completely powerful, done for you, really easy to set up, guaranteed success niches we've done for you. So enter your Clickbank ID, choose your niche, click your button, bam, your site's done. Then you start getting great quality content. You get monetization. Remember, full video, full copy, buy button with your, and bonuses, all of this done completely automated. Then fully automated social media accounts sending you traffic every single day. And then this is by far the most exciting thing, of course. Look at this, bang, the checks start coming in from Clickbank. As simple as that. Have you ever seen a simpler, more powerful, more effective plugin? Instant Success Site is just that. You click one button, and your site has been created for you. Everything done for you. Easy, powerful, instant success.